So students, now you are going to learn about human female reproductive system in the chapter human reproduction. As I have already told you, human being is unisexual or dioecious. It means sexes are separate in human being. So about male reproductive system, you have already learned. Now let us see about female reproductive system. Human female reproductive system has following organs: ovaries, one pair; fallopian tubes, one pair; uterus, vagina, and vulva. Let's see about ovaries. Ovaries are one pair. One ovary present either side of the uterus. Its size is 2 to 4 centimeter long, 1.5 centimeter broad, and about 1 centimeter thick. These are one pair almond shaped structure, present one on either side of uterus. These are also called primary sex organs. The main function of primary sex organs or ovaries are formation of ova and secretion of hormones estrogen and progesterone. These are the two hormones are secreted by the ovary. This is the function of ovary: formation of ova and secretion of hormones estrogen and progesterone. Another female reproductive organ is fallopian tubes. These are also one pair. Fallopian tubes also called oviduct. It is about 10 to 12 centimeter long, seriated and muscular tubular structure, extended from ovary to uterus. Each fallopian tube or oviduct is divided into three parts. Ampulla, middle part, isthmus, and uterine part, which is connected to uterus. Ampulla is funnel-like structure and it has finger-like projections. To capture ovum released from the ovary. So fallopian tube is divided into three parts: ampulla, isthmus, that is the junction between uterine part and ampulla, also called ampullary isthmus junction. Here the function of fallopian tube is conduction of ovum and zygote towards uterus. Zygote is also formed in fallopian tube after fertilization. Its inner wall is ciliated. The movement called peristalsis due to presence of cilia in the inner wall of fallopian tube. Conduction of ovum and zygote occur in fallopian tube. Now, next organ of female reproductive system is uterus. Uterus is about 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter broad. The structure present in the pelvic region. It is large, hollow, muscular and highly vascular. It means rich in muscular and vascular tissue. It is also divided into 3 parts. Upper dome shaped part is fundus and middle broader part is body and lower narrow part is corpus. Fundus, body and corpus. The part between vagina and body of uterus is cervix. Here are 2 openings. Opening inner side is called internal os and opening into vagina is called external os. This narrow part is cervix and other part of human female reproductive system is vagina. Vagina is also muscular and vascular part of female reproductive system. It has foldings called vaginal rugae. It is about 7.5 centimeter long. It acts as both copulatory canal and receive semen during sexual intercourse. It also acts as birth canal during parturition. So, it is copulatory organ or copulatory canal of human female. Now, vulva. Vulva is the opening of vagina. Vagina opens into a depression called vestibule. This is the vestibule in which vulva or vagina opens through vulva. In the vestibular parts, there are two openings. Upper external urethral orifice, that is for release of urine. Upper external urethral orifice, and below external urethral orifice there is a broader lower vaginal orifice. These are the two openings present in the vestibule. So this is all about human female reproductive system and functions of different parts of human female reproductive system. The function of uterus is to hold fetus, or it is site of implantation. Implantation is the process of attachment of cyst or blastocyst to the wall of uterus. That's all.